talk about how can you change your name on your Amazon on your Alexa app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just waiting to open video like this. Click here on your profile and family here. So then just waiting here to open with you. Then you will find here profile information. Just click on it. So you click here on see more in this list. When you found here profile information, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on name and pronunciation here, and here can you change your first name, last name, and you click here on go to saved here. So then it's going to save with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.